The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is designed to offer top-of-the-line features and performance. This phone is packed with high-end specs and features including a massive 6.9-inch display, a powerful Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, 12 GB of RAM, and a 4500 mAh battery. But is it worth the steep price tag? Let's take a closer look at what the Note 20 Ultra has to offer. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is a premium phone and it looks the part. The phone features a sleek, modern design with large 6.9-inch display that dominates the front of the device. The screen is surrounded by thin bezels and a small standard hole punch camera, which blends seamlessly into the display. The back of the phone is made of glass and has a matte finish, giving a premium feel in the hands. The camera module on the back of the phone is quite large and protrudes quite a bit, which might be a turn-off for some users. However, the camera bump is necessary to house the 3 cameras and other sensors that make up the Note 20 Ultra impressive camera system. The phone has a solid build quality and it feels substantial in the hand. It's also worth noting that the phone is quite large and heavy, which might not be suitable for users with small hands. Overall, the design and build quality of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G are excellent and they definitely make a statement. On display, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is a massive dynamic AMOLED display with resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels. The screen is HDR 10+ certified and it supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making it one of the best displays on any smartphone. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is excellent, making the screen perfect for media consumption. However, the screen is quite large and it might be challenging to use the phone with one hand. Additionally, the screen's curved edges might be prone to accidental touches, which could be annoying for some users. On performance, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market right now. The phone also comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage, which is more than enough for most users. The phone performs exceptionally well and it's fast and responsive in everyday use. Additionally, the 120Hz refresh rate on the displays makes scrolling and navigating through the phone smooth. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, which is a nice bonus for users who live in areas with 5G coverage. On battery life, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G has a 4500 mAh battery, which is a decent size for a phone of this caliber. The phone can easily last a full day with moderate use, but heavy users might find themselves reaching for the charger by mid-afternoon. However, the phone supports fast charging and wireless charging, which makes it easy to top up the battery quickly. And additionally, the phone software includes several battery-saving features which can help extend the battery life. On camera, the camera system on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is impressive, with a 108 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. The camera can capture stunning photos with excellent detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. The device Pro mode offers a lot of control over the camera settings, which is a plus for photography enthusiasts. The video recording capabilities are also top-notch with 8K recording and advanced stabilization features. The only downside is the massive camera bump, which can be a bit cumbersome and prone to scratches. In conclusion, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is a top-of-the-line smartphone with impressive performance, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system. The device design is sleek and modern, and a majestic bronze color option is a refreshing change from the usual black and white options. The phone's battery life is good, but heavy users might find it lacking. The lack of headphone jack may also disappoint some users, but overall, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G is an excellent device that delivers on its promises, and it is well worth considering for those in the market for high-end smartphones. And as always, give us a thumbs up if you have liked this video. And if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click and subscribe, and also hit that bell so that you see all our future videos. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.